Good morning. So before we moved in here, which is over a year ago, the garbage man took out one of the electrical lines. So we have like the ones that's in the air, not underground. And so Hawaiian Electric is here to fix it. But let me show you something. I don't think you guys can see. They almost took out our power line that's above our garage. They would have to fix both stuff. I'll show you guys right now how close they were. Leaky's dad luckily was outside and started yelling. They almost took that whole thing out and it's right above our garage. And it's Hawaiian Electric. Hi guys, so I don't know what I've said so far, but basically the Hawaiian Electric is here to fix the post because apparently before we moved in, our neighbors told us one of the garbage man, when he lifted up the trash, he took down one of the wires, is that what they're called? And he took it with him. And then from there they just kind of propped it up and didn't fix it properly. So now is when they're finally fixing it properly, but we're kind of blocked in. Luckily Leaky's parents live like 2 streets away, and we parked, or Leaky's dad took the 4Runner there last night because we couldn't have cars parked on the street, just so we're not all cluttered in our front yard. So yeah, we're gonna go take the golf cart there, and this is how it is with no electric. We're not supposed to have electricity from 8:30 to 2:30, so we'll see how it goes.
Thank you, brother.
A regular.
We're at Taco Bell.
That's it.
Any tropical?
Lots of mild.
Lots of mild.
Okay.
Thank you.
Nice. Got the veggie parbo. I don't like their meat, so I didn't get meat, but I love this stuff with extra mild sauce. I know. I was gonna record her because she had her food in her hand and she's knocked out, but she's up now. Lily got her mama. Oh, she threw it. Yeah, you're in my way. We're at Leaky's chicken farm. Okay, I gotta go grab her out. And that's all I ate. Here, go. It's Leah, 0, Ari. How much you got? 2?
3. I got 0.
Oh.
Oh, I got
I should have filmed me. No, I'm good. I should have filmed me challenging Leaky because he's so aggressive. The freaking, I think it's called a puck. It kept flying out and he lost. I won. 3, 2, 2. And he's a sore loser. He's talking about how this table is junk. Sore loser. Daddy's sore loser. Daddy's a sore loser. Maybe you smell like cheese. Should a cheese roll up. What's that noise? Or at least parents, because we ain't got electricity, but we might go on a bike ride later. This is how Leaky taught Ari to ride her bike, with this pole thing.
Get up, come on.
And she's fine.
I thought you know how.
Yesterday she was doing good. Today, not so good.
You're a pedal, Leah.
I am.
No, you're not.
Go, Leah. What? You're breaking. Why did you break? Okay, you got it again?
Yep.
Don't break.
Yep, I remember.
Look up, follow daddy. Not good job, you break. See, follow daddy. Not me.
I was paying into that car.
Leah, chasing after you is exhausting. Good job, Leah. Good job, Leah. Don't break. Keep pedaling. Pedal. See, you have to pedal. I'm not gonna always be there to hold you. What's your bucket?